Bakit hindi mo mawalan, eh?
Sa buwan ka lang naman eh. Isang ginagawa lang, isang taon ka lang.
Saan?
Wala. May warranty sa akin. Wala dyan sa warranty, oh.
Anika, why is always fucking late? Tell me. Anika.
Ayaw mo?
Nabenta mo oras, saan hindi mo mawalan, eh?
Oo. Ako naman bibili sa'yo eh.
Anika, tell me. Why is always fucking late?
Bata pa to, huwag mo ganito. Bata pa to.
Hey. Why is always fucking late?
From the top of my head down to the down floor, I feel all my life blown away. As I
Wow, chick. Chick. Wow, chick. Record. What the position? And it's fucking late. Oh, that girl, Anika. Why is you?
The game told me why this all the lights start off while the customer waiting outside. So I may leave in babae.
Why is she close to Anika? She's luka babae. I send her to Muntinlupa City. It's very ganyan, no? Ganyan, no? Anika. Why you always fucking late? Nice, nice. What the fuck?
Takas na lang sila ako lang.